Yeah, man.
Alright, now today I'm gonna take you on an adventure. So measure out half cup of Bulgar. That's what the package say, but Bulgar. That's our language for it. And that's what I'm gonna be saying all the way through the video from now on. Bulgar. Alright, so once you measure that, hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you half cup of Bulgar. Who remember getting Bulgar in primary school or infant school? Bulgar. Alright, so now rinse your Bulgar with some water, running water, and white vinegar. A couple drops of white vinegar. See the dirt? That's why it's important to wash it. And remove anything that don't look normal. Alright, so just remove that water. I'm gonna rinse it twice because I didn't like how it looked so dirty the first time. So rinse it twice, 3 times until the water is clear. No more than 3 times. In fact, 2 is good enough. So you just rinse it off and throw that water off. You see, you gotta practice to look at your food when you eat, when you cook. See if there's anything different that you don't like on it, and then take it out, remove it. Alright, now add the water. Make sure that the water is above the Bulgar, one index of your finger. So this now half a teaspoon of sea salt. Surface of the Bulgar to the ending of the water in the pot. Make sure the water stops at the first bend of your finger. Alright, now that's my curried chicken wings that I'm cooking. That's what I'm gonna be eating. Put the stove's gauge on 6 medium high. Alright, for the Bulgar, after 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. You see, the objective is to cook out the water till the water evaporates, and then you turn it down low. So the stove's gauge is on 4 now. Turn the stove's gauge on 4, medium low. Alright, my Bulgar now, after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. You just look on it, stir it in. Keep the pot halfway open or slightly open, because you don't want it to overflow and mess your stove up. Alright, turn the stove's gauge on 6. It's gonna overflow, so turn it back down. So turn it back down. Alright, after 12 minutes, this is what it looks like. So you want the water to evaporate, and then you can turn it on low. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. You see, it's gonna be soft, but you want it to eat like rice. After you finish cooking it, it's gonna stick together, but you don't want it to be soft like porridge. So now would be a good time to cover it properly and turn the stove down on low, almost off low, like this. Not often, I gotta watch it, turn it up a little bit more. Yeah, like that much. That's good enough. Alright, so you just allow it. Alright, after 25 minutes for my Bulgar, you just stir it in. This is what it looks like. You see, it's gonna stick, as Bulgar sticks together. Everybody knows that. You just stir it in, stir the bottom to the top. Alright, see a Bulgar. Just taste it, see how tenderized How tenderized is it? Alright, so you just cover it properly and allow. This package say good way said add more fiber to your diet. So this is a good source of fiber, especially for your international people that's taking fiber out of your food. So you need fiber. I'm gonna make a prediction. Years from now, people gonna start wanting cholesterols in their food and calories in their diets. Just like how now people don't have fiber. About 30, 20 more years from now, people gonna wanna cry for calories. Because by then, all the calories and cholesterols will be gone out of food because you guys talk about diet. Cholesterols is good. Alright, for the bulgur, it's 30 minutes now. Stir it in. Again, you gotta practice to watch your food when you're cooking and when you're eating. If you see anything strange like a dot, remove it. It's just a little black spot. I don't know what it is, so I'm just alright, 35 minutes in for our bulgur. Stir it in. See, like I said, I just want it to cook properly. Alright, taste your food. See how you're doing. Alright. Now, serve our bulgur. Alright, who remember eating bulgur in school? Who remember? Young people might not remember bulgur unless their parents cooked it. But in school, people in the 30s and 40s and 50s up probably remember, but more like late 30s too. Who remember bun and milk? Oh, sometimes I'm gonna wait to get them on bun and the cherry milk. I was one of those privileged kids, in school. The privilege, I'm always the prefect. Not prefect, but like the second prefect, or the person that's gonna carry around the milk, or not a teacher's pet, but somebody just helping out. I think. I'm not sure. But I think it's wheat. Alright, some wheat. Processing wheat. Some leftover aspect of it. And I think it used to be extremely cheap in the days. Now this one little package the package that you saw me with costs about $115. Not bad. I guess this is a little bit more than rice if you ask me. For some reason, more than rice. I've been having, since I saw bulgur in the supermarket a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago, I said, interesting. But lately, I've been having bulgur on my mind. I can't say why. So, and after I ate it now, I can see why, because now I'm going to change my diet. I'm going to cut off. I stopped eating rice, white rice, long time ago. Parboiled I'll eat. Brown rice is to be questioned, because if you eat brown rice and parboiled, it's the same thing. But bulgur now, it's different. So I might change my diet to bulgur as my accompaniment. Alright, so this is what you want. Alright, so let's taste this bulgur. So this is bulgur. It's fresh and nice. It's much better than rice. I'm gonna change to bulgurs from now on and stop cooking brown rice, or parboiled. And it eats like you're eating food, like food, like in the Jamaicans who used to yam and banana. You know what I mean by food. So when you eat a bulgur now, you feel like you're eating food instead of rice. Alright, see ya. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the ingredients. Support, subscribe, like, share. Yeah, man! Go take a look at our merchandise store. Links below. A Miguel Marvin Samuels production.